So we have this situation. We have to integrate 2x cube minus 1 by x to the power 4 plus x. Now look at this, how we will approach this question. So we don't have any direct formula to integrate these kind of things, and also numerator is not bigger than the denominator, so that we can write, like we can divide and we can simplify things. Okay, so what we will do, we will take help of substitution. So you know that we used to take something as z which looks ugly. So suppose that it appears ugly to you guys, and we have taken this that thing as z. So x power 4 plus x. So if you will integrate dz by dx, we will have 4x cube plus 1. But you want 2x cube minus 1. So something is wrong with our approach, correct now? So we have to think some in different dimension. Okay, now look at this. By any means, you know that you will be taking substitution only, but we have to manipulate things. So suppose that we have divided numerator and denominator by x square. Why I get this idea? Try to understand. If I will divide numerator and denominator by x square, we will have x square over here, and if we will differentiate 100%, we will get 2. Correct? So I'm thinking about that part. So I'm dividing numerator and denominator by x square. Now we will have 2x minus 1 by x square upon x square plus 1 by x. Okay, dx. Now what I will do, I will take the denominator part as z. Okay, so look at this. This idea failed, that's why we came to another idea. So x square plus x power minus 1. Now let's do the differentiation both side. So it is dz by dx equals 2x. Now you know that this minus 1 will come at the coefficient, and x power minus 2. You can also write this thing as 2x minus 1 by x square dz by dx. Now look at this, 2x by 1 minus x square. It's same thing, no? Okay, so means our idea worked. So can I write this thing as this dx? Done. Now let's do the replacement. So we have dz by z. Now you know that we have integrated this kind of situations where we have to integrate 1 by x. So integration of 1 by x is log x. So can I write log z plus integrating constant c? But we have to replace this z. So who is our z? It is log x square plus 1 by x plus c. So this is the required answer. Or also you can replace this bracket with mod sign, because you know that the argument of log has to be positive. Correct? So you can put mod on it. I hope you got this idea that if we got stuck, we have to think in which dimension. Okay?